Hey everybody, welcome back. So, what am I wrecking today? Well, I'm wrecking the top of my workbench. I mean, not really, but I'm still painting my house, so there's still paint all over everything because that's just unfortunately kind of what I do when I paint. But what I'm looking at today is $8 seat covers from Temu and $8 for a pair. I bought these just because I'm sick of looking at the torn leather seat cover that are in my Jeep Grand Cherokee. So I thought for $8, let's give it a try. If they won't fit in the Grand Cherokee, we'll try them in the seats that are in the CJ7. But I thought, what the heck kind of seat cover can you get for $8 for a pair? You can't even buy the cheapest ones in existence at Walmart for that. So kind of nice thing about these is I kind of like the material. It's quite heavy. There's a little bit of a pad built into them. It completely goes over the top and the back. I like the pattern and the color. I'll try and put a link to them below, but when I got them, I liked them enough that I was going to try and order a second pair, and they were already out of stock. Now there's a buttload of $8 seat covers on Temu. None of them had this exact pattern, but I'm assuming they're probably all pretty much the same. There's even a little pocket. I don't know if you can see it. There's even a little pocket on the back of them. But they actually seem to be of halfway decent quality. And I don't know. I really don't seem to have any complaints about them. Not exactly sure what that is. What is that? Kind of a little bag with a little piece of round foam in it. Is that supposed to do something? Huh, interesting. Oh, you know what that is? You pull that in between the bottom of the back and the back of the bottom, and that keeps it from pulling forward. I'll bet you that's what it is. Here's the one I haven't unfolded yet, assuming they're both going to be identical. And there's some little extra doodads with it. I guess that's to hook the clips up. Yeah, same thing here. A little tiny little bit of padding. I mean, not much, just a kind of more of an extra thick backing layer. It isn't on the actual back. I don't know. Let's take them out and put them in a Jeep and see what they look like. Okay, so here we go. So here's what the seat looks like now. I have tried fixing this seat a couple of times. All the others are perfect, of course, because they don't have a 230-pound guy getting in and out all the time. I mean, I'm even torn back here. A lot of places it was just the stitching that let loose, but it was all open up here. It's all open up there. So I'm going to see if I can get these seat covers in and at least get it covered until I can find somebody who can fix them professionally for me. So let me see if I can get the camera in position and we'll put these things in. Okay, so here they are both installed. I had to throw out those, well, not throw out, but I couldn't use those plastic discs they gave me because they're supposed to go, what did I do with them? Here they are. These are supposed to go in the center underneath the seat, and then the strap at the front and the back on either side kind of comes in an X pattern and connects to them. Problem is, with the power seats in here, I can't get underneath the seat without unbolting the seat, and I ain't doing that to put seat covers on. So I just stretched them back and connected them to corners of the frame and things like that. So, and again, the question is, will it stay when I get in and out? And I think the answer, remember, I'm 6'4" and I weigh 230. So the answer is, you know what? They stay pretty decently. They need to be tucked back in. That bag thing is, I might be able to make a way to improve that, and I may not care. Let's look at the other side. Did the same thing on the other side. You'll probably have an easier time than me. You're probably not 6'4", trying to ram your face in underneath of its car seat. And yeah, I mean, I think they look pretty good. These really. The question is, are they worth $4 each? And I think the answer is absolutely they're worth $4 each. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. I'll put a link below, but these were out of stock within a couple of days after me getting them. So I'll find the closest thing I can for about the same price, and I'll put a link to it below. Catch you later. Bye for now.